The Northwell operates a health home program in the 5 boroughs, Long Island, and Westchester. We serve over 10,000 patients across our network, and really it's meant to support the vulnerable communities at large.
Well, prior to FCM, we were using 3 different applications to support the health home's clinical and billing workflows.
We were not up to par with the frequency of billing out for our encounters. And that was frankly the impetus for looking for a new solution. We wanted to have a more efficient platform for both care management and billing. FCM have solved the issue of having both a front end and back end platform, care management, billing combined. We went from a 92% collection rate to closer to 98% collection rate in accepted claims. So that was huge, and that was one of the driving forces to move towards FCM as well.
We currently have a process with Foothold to consume the Foothold raw data on a daily basis to our HIE and for our analytics teams. They worked tirelessly with us hand in hand to resolve and overcome the project risks and get us to that successful implementation. Foothold offered the health home program with a custom solution, which supported the program from a holistic perspective.